Okay, Kiddush, page 43. Here we go. Okay, Sabi, no, Nasai, Baruch atah Hashem Mecholam, Berei Pri Hagafen. Baruch atah Hashem Melech Haolam, Asher B'Chem Lekol Anu, Dem Kam Shlosh Shem Tzedek Simcha, Chazon Asad, Gem Shua Sezeh, Man Tzedek, No Mikra Kodesh, no. Derech Yetz Tzrayim, Ki Yivan V'Chatz, No Gash Chol Amim, Shakol Shom Tzedek Chatonu, Baruch atah Mechal Yisrael V'Yazmanim. No. Kiddush. Baruch atah Hashem Melech Haolam, Shechem Shalom Azman Hazeh. Amen.
Children, what could be more beautiful than a Yom Tov? We are about to celebrate the festive meal, a time to bond with what's really important in life. Our connection to ourselves, our families, to Hashem. We're about to relive the miracle and gifts of that particular chag. Festivals recharge a person's battery. 3 times a year we come to gain new energy that will help us function as dynamic Jews. That's the purpose of Yom Tov. Of course, you must realize that purpose and try to fulfill that function of gaining something on Yom Tov that will carry you on to the next Yom Tov and then the next Yom Tov and so on throughout the year. We are traveling by the energy that we gain each Yom Tov, each one building on the previous one and taking us to higher and higher levels of connection to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And then we say Shechianu, the happiness of being alive. It's so important from time to time to remind yourself how good it is simply to be alive. It's such a tragedy, isn't it? That we spend so much of our lives thinking about what's going to be. Someday I'll be rich. Someday I'll be happy and I'll be successful. You're rich right now. To be alive is an extremely great happiness. And therefore, from time to time, we pause to make a bracha of Shechianu. Oh, He gave us life this very day. The best time to remind yourself of that joy of being alive is right now. You're about to sit down with your family at the Yom Tov meal, and you're about to perform the very great mitzvah of the Yom Tov celebration. Enjoy.
Shechianu v'kimanu v'higiyanu lazman hazeh.
Amen.